In today's video, I'm going to teach you is it possible to add to cart on Stockx. Let's start right at the source. Open the Stockx app on your phone or head to the Stockx website in your browser. Before you do anything else, make sure you're logged in. Being signed in ensures you see the most accurate prices and fees for your region, and it lets you save your selection to the cart without interruptions later. Next, use the search bar to find the item you want. Type the exact model name or style code if you have it, since that pulls up the most precise results. Once you're on the product page, take a moment to look around. You'll see recent sales, the current lowest ask, and available sizes. These details help you understand the market price and any swings so you can decide what makes sense for you. Choose your preferred size. On StockX, size often changes the price, so double check the size category as well. Men's, women's, grade school, or other variants, and if you shop internationally, confirm the size standard you need like US, UK, or EU. Getting this right now avoids disappointment later. When you're ready, click either Buy Now or Add to Cart. Buy Now takes you straight toward checkout for that single item. Add to Cart lets you keep browsing while holding your selection so you can review everything together. If you only see Buy Now on a specific listing, that simply routes you directly to purchase for the size you chose. Before moving on, review the item details and the full price. StockX shows the item as brand new, verified by their authentication process, and you'll see the subtotal along with fees, shipping, and taxes where applicable. Make sure the size, colorway, and price match what you expect. Checking this here is the easiest way to avoid last-minute changes. Now head to your cart. You'll usually find the cart icon at the top of the page or in the app's navigation. Open it to see every item you've added. Confirm the sizes, quantities, and the total with fees. If something looks off, this is the best place to fix it quickly. If you're ready to purchase, continue to checkout. You'll be prompted to confirm your payment and shipping details and to review the final amount one more time. Take a last look at the size and total. Orders on marketplaces like StockX are typically final once placed. When everything looks good, proceed to complete your order, and you're done.